yellow basket. They said to check this out. Hopefully it's good. Right now we're hungover, so anything is good. These burritos are massive. We found the newest Bang flavor all the way in Temecula. So now we're driving to Ramona to visit Ryan and Kellie on their little farmhouse. It's gonna be so cute. We're actually going to visit Mona and Fido, but just kidding. Poos and Poos on an adventure. Yay! Just got to Ryan's farm. I don't know. He saw us, but I don't know where to go. Mona, I thought you were a puppy.
She's a teenager now.
Aww.
I'm wondering how much bigger she'll get.
She's huge. I didn't know she was gonna get that big. We're at Ryan's house. Savage it. Oh, Fido. Poor baby. Hi.
Hey, Mona, come down. You guys want a drink or anything?
Cheers, guys.
Excuse you. Excuse you.
Cheers. We bought this house. There was only that door, and it goes through a bedroom, through a bathroom to the master. So my dad and I built this hallway.
Here's Fido.
Oh, wow, you guys
Fido
did
yet?
this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wait, what's his name?
Fido.
Fivel. I call him Fido.
I just let you call it.
Yeah, he doesn't correct
You
me.
did that.
He doesn't correct me.
He was like, I kind of like it, honestly.
Oh, it's his nickname. I always screwed up Callie's name too.
I know. 'Cause I honestly was too close to my name.
So this used to be the walk-in closet. Like this wall was solid and this wall was solid.
Oh.
And this was the walk-in closet for this bedroom.
So this is our guest bedroom slash
Wow.
hopefully a nursery at some point.
So I took that closet out, made it a half closet, and then made this a hallway.
Wow, you did this all yourself?
Yeah, Ryan and his
With my
dad.
dad's help.
So they were visiting, and I was so annoyed of walking through the bedroom when they were staying in here that I was like, why don't you guys just knock down the walls? I don't care. And they went at it and created a hallway.
So you've been working hard on your colas.
Well,
Yeah.
we did this a while ago.
He
I haven't done
definitely
shit.
hasn't been like sitting on his ass. You always are doing something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you
It's
guys
so
ever
nice
need,
and
if
cool.
If
you
you
ever
guys
need
ever
to
want to
stay,
stay, we have a really cute small town with lots of cool
bars.
You guys are
bars,
by
little hokey
Julian.
bars.
Yeah.
I always wanted to go there.
The Julian Cider Co.
Yeah.
So good. So good.
This is the master. This is what we rented out to Denise.
Wow.
Because Denise used to come in and out that exterior door.
Oh, so that
this was
goes
like
outside?
This was like her own studio, and we just lived in that side of the house.
And so this is our closet now, but before this was
Just a
walk-in
wall.
closet.
Oh.
So this was the door to the walk-in closet. So this wouldn't have been through and through. It's crazy. It made such a difference. Total difference.
Oh.
That's Callie.
This is Callie too.
Oh.
No,
We
it's,
forgot to take her with us to Sierra's. That's where we wanted to spread her ashes. But this is the master bathroom here. And then
Ooh.
yeah. And then our laundry. So he made this. This was the door to the walk-in closet before, which is kind of cool. It's kind of rustic. And there was just this alcove space here, so we made it our shoe closet.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. It's like, because then our clothes are over there, shoes here, and then our laundry room's right here. So
Oh, that's
makes it really
awesome.
easy.
Yeah, that's
But
so convenient.
This was
Yeah,
the
it's
hallway.
nice.
So if you see, this is the guest
Pretty
bedroom's
small
bathroom
house.
Oh.
with like shower and vanity,
Yeah.
and but it was so weird. To
That would be
walk
like a
through.
pain to walk through every single time.
Yeah, so now we pretty much don't go through this way unless we're doing laundry.
Yeah.
So aren't they so good? Do you love sour beers?
I never first time I tried
Yeah, I've
it.
never had one.
I'm obsessed. I've never
They have a
seen
black
beer.
lab that she like runs the fence in.
So those are chickens. You should name them.
Those are like the big European chickens.
So top left is Mrs. Klucksky.
Oh, you're probably unimpressed because you're like, there's chickens everywhere in here.
Not like
Not
this.
like this. These are cute.
Jim.
Hi, Mrs.
That's Lego.
Lego.
That's Bobby. It's Nigel.
Nigel.
Oh yeah, Nigel.
That's
He's from Nigeria.
Mulan.
Mulan's taking a break.
Look, they say
So
later, but everyone has done. You're every day filling.
Did you guys grow these or they came with it?
It came with it. I'm so freaked out about spiders.
I just hate getting legs on me.
So look at these bundles.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That's really cool. Are you guys gonna
See,
try
I
to
don't-
make wine?
That's what I heard, that it's easier to make wine than beer, and that we should take a try, or take a stab at it.
Take a try.
Dude, this is 9% beer. Like,
It's getting you. It's getting you,
Right away.
Mrs. Donnelly.
She is.
Kelly's pretty lightweight.
I'm such a lightweight. Dude, last night we went
was a
to
lot, right?
see
That's
Chris
so
Young.
cool.
Yeah, it was a country concert, and I had a couple beers, but then
Tried
my
one the other
dad,
day.
he chews Zin. Have you done a Zin?
Yeah.
Actually, pretty
Oh my
sweet.
god, I put one in my
Can we
mouth
try
and I
one?
was like, I'm so fast. I'm so fast. I
These
was
are
like,
pretty
I
good.
want to go run a
That's-
marathon. I'm so fast.
These are sweet.
Are they sweet?
Yeah, I thought they'd be more sour.
Then maybe they're. Are you guys hanging out or you guys have to be someplace?
Are you headed back tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mmm, great.
Yeah, my friend, they're just down the street. They're having.
I've never really seen them chilling over there like that. They're liking that spot.
Hi. Which one's Bobby? Does he know his name?
This is Bobby.
Eh, Bobby.
He's pretty chill.
Look at Bobby.
So is Nigel.
You're so cool. That's actually Mrs. Clarksky. He thinks it's Bobby.
Oh.
We fight about this.
Honestly, after they became like teenagers and older, a lot of their markings.
Do you guys want a Truly? We have a bunch in the car.
Oh, okay.
It's just not.
I think I need some water.
So, what's the difference between the eggs? Nothing, just the color?
No, it's the color. Yeah.
Only child syndrome.
I think John, like Callie, our other dog, like how brazen. Never shut out with boy.
Hey, no, it's not a toy.
Fire shot.
No.
Yeah, he does.
And he did a couple other like.
So I might have forgotten.
It's another. This one might be a little better.
Okay.
It's a raspberry Berliner West white.
There's only two.
You gotta all have them on one side.
Wait,
Susie, take your red
there's
balls.
only two. This is called
No, there's
floppy
one more over
nuts.
there.
Did you guys make this up?
No.
So we're learning how to play floppy nuts today. Not quite sure what that means, but I think we throw these ball thingies, these floppy nuts, at that thing by Ryan. Guys, I'm getting better at floppy balls.
Now you guys.
Well, we had a really fun time on the other side of California.
Now
so
turn right.
we're heading back to make the long journey back to Los Angeles, aka Torrance.
Did you pick them up?
How'd you get him?
Oh, that's the nicest
I'm
one.
Filipino.